Some of you who know me may have already seen me on the TV. I was part of Sky Arts' Landscape of the Year programme, and it was filmed last year in the summer of 2024. So if you're interested in seeing the episode I was part of, it's season 10 episode 2, and it's based in Snowdonia in Wales, which was a fabulous location. Why am I telling you about this? Well, I just want to encourage everybody out there to enter competitions and experiences like that, because why not? If I can, you can. I had such a good time, and there's so much that I learned from the day. So here's my painting, which was of the foothills of Snowdonia and not the actual mountain. And then I saw there was a little building, a barn, and I just picked up on the colours that I saw on the day. I would also point out that I painted 3 sketches of this size because I didn't want to get bogged down in the detail, start fiddling and overwork my oils, which makes them muddy. So top tip number 1, if you're going to paint outside and be part of a competition, take more than one board or canvas or watercolour pad so that you're not stuck on one painting, because then you can jump between them and at the end decide which one you like the best. I still love this painting. There's lots I would do differently, but it wasn't a studio painting, it was an outdoor on location painting in the most amazing setting. So if you see that episode, it is beautiful. You might spot me a couple of times that I'm one of the wild cards. No, I don't win anything. No, my painting isn't on the screen. Did I enjoy it? Yes, I did. So what sort of tips can I give you if you're going to paint outdoors, on plein air, or painting outside on location, depending on the way you'd wish to word it? So a few things to say. Number 1, enjoy it. There is no point sitting there fretting, did I put a boat in, or should I put a boat in? No, just go with the flow, be yourself, be your authentic self, and just let the landscape or wherever you are talk to you, and you have a conversation and paint, and just let it flow. I know I'm an old lady, and I'm that old that I don't stress so much as I used to, because I have the privilege of being a bit older and a bit wiser to look back and think, doesn't matter. But when I was there was an awful lot of people really stressed because they were, for whatever reason, thinking they had to get it right. Now my advice to you is, no you don't. You're going for an experience. If you go in with a mindset of painting with a group of people as an experience that you're going to learn from and come back with a painting to capture your experience of the day, then that's the right attitude. So try not to go in with the attitude as I have to make a perfect painting so that I might win an award, I might get hung on the wall at the end, I might be the public's vote. Who knows what goes on in competitions in your part of the world. But if you're doing something like this, even if it's just with a group of people and it's nothing to do with the competition, just relax, enjoy it, be your authentic self. Do not try and be somebody else's self, because you can't do it. You have to just let your painting flow. So I've already mentioned, have more than one painting on the go if you possibly can. Not everybody can work that way, but I find it really helpful so that I don't just focus in on one picture and overwork it. The whole point about painting outside is that it's fresh and simple, and it's of the moment and of the place, so that you're capturing the essence of your day. So try and do more than one painting. Another tip, make sure you take food and drink, and preferably sun protection or rain, or both if you're in this country, especially if you're in Wales. Although we did have a beautiful day, I cannot complain. The weather was absolutely glorious in Wales, way better than we'd been having in Norfolk that summer. So It was fantastic weather. Be prepared, make sure you've got a minimum of water on you and a snack, and ideally make sure you're not too far away from a facility, shall we say, a bathroom, a loo, whatever language you use. You need to be able to access that to have a comfortable day. Something to sit on will help you, and all your equipment. Now I have got a video on what equipment I use to paint outdoors, so I'll pop that in as a video link at the end of this one and down in the description, so take a little look at that. My final tip is for those of you that wear glasses. Some of you may be like me and have reactor light glasses, so when you go outside, even on a fairly cloudy day, they darken so that you're protecting your eyes from UV light. This is really, really good for your eyes. However, when you're painting, it can skew the colours, and one of the things I noticed is when I was sat out in the area painting this, the sky to me on that day looked really bright in my painting. When I got it home, it's not bright. I could have added a lot more of the sky, shall we say, as an opaque colour. Now, it's not a criticism of my work, because I love my picture because I did it on that day. But if you wear glasses that change colour, you may wish to reconsider if you're painting outdoors. You may wish to wear a wide-brimmed hat to give your eyes the shade. And you will notice that some artists have umbrellas attached to their easel to shade the painting, and that is purely to keep bright light off the painting so they can see the colours better. Some of the old masters paintings showing other artists painting actually show them with a white umbrella, so there's method in the madness, obviously. So that's just a tip. Now, you might not want to go out and buy an umbrella, and if it's a windy day, it's absolutely not going to work, is it? But if you can sit yourself in the shade, that eliminates both those problems. Apart from looking out, if your glasses are dark, you'll see the colours differently to if your glasses are clear. So you may wish to invest in a pair of glasses for outdoor painting that do not change colour. So that's it. There's my top tips for painting outdoors on location, on plein air. If you would like to join a big group, because I know that all over the world there are paint out groups, then those little tips and bits of advice will help you. If you're just taking a watercolour pad and some paints and just sketching with a few people or on your own, some of the tips will still be valid to you. But have a little look, see if you can spot me on Landscape Artist of the Year as a wild card, and quietly painting in my zone. And I'll tell you right now, there's a shot of me and I had no idea the camera was there, because I was in my zone happily painting, which is exactly what you should do if you end up in that situation. Just relax, enjoy the process and have a great day. See you soon, take care and bye for now.